If you're curious about a sailing holiday in Croatia, but you're not quite sure how it actually works, this will give you a clear picture. A skippered sailing holiday means you don't need any sailing experience. The skipper takes care of the sailing, the route, and the daily decisions on the water, while you simply enjoy the journey. You sail between islands, swim in quiet bays, explore small coastal towns, and spend your days at a relaxed, natural pace, guided by the weather, not by a fixed schedule. Life on board is simple and comfortable. Days usually start with breakfast, followed by sailing to a new bay or island. Some afternoons are spent swimming, paddleboarding, or going ashore. Evenings are for relaxed dinners, either on board or in a local restaurant. Nothing is rushed and nothing feels forced. Our guests are couples, friends, families, and solo travelers who like the idea of sailing but prefer comfort, flexibility, and a personal atmosphere. It's not about ticking off highlights or sailing long distances every day. It's about being present, slowing down, and experiencing Croatia from the water. Because you're on one boat. With a small group, the experience stays personal. Plans can change if the weather shifts, if a bay feels especially good, or if the group wants to linger a little longer somewhere. That flexibility is what makes sailing feel natural, and why many guests say it feels more like staying on a floating home than taking a typical holiday. If this kind of sailing holiday sounds like it could suit you, you can explore routes, availability, and practical details on our website that will help you decide whether a skippered sailing holiday in Croatia fits your plans and your way of traveling.